Well, hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Jay, and I want to welcome you out to my channel where I have the opportunity once again to help you speak better English. On today's lesson, we're going to discuss the phrase, get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. Now, when it comes to the term get the ball rolling is a phrase that means start doing something or handle your business or when it's time to make a move in the right direction. You would say, let's get the ball rolling. Okay? Now, as always, I have about 3 or 4 sentences that we're going to look at as examples to help you use this phrase when you are communicating with someone in English. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. Our first example, if we are going to the bank, we need to get the ball rolling before they close. If we are going to the bank, we need to get the ball rolling before they close. So they may not be dressed. They may need to take a bath. They may need to eat some breakfast, may need to get some paperwork. All of that would be considered, hey, come on, let's get the ball rolling so we can make it to the bank. Another example of using the term get the ball rolling in a sentence, let's get the ball rolling and start this meeting. Okay? Let's quit playing around and let's handle business by starting the meeting. That's what you would consider getting the ball rolling. Let's look at another example, which will actually be our last one for today. Give me a call and we will get the ball rolling. Give me a call and we will get the ball rolling. You often hear this phrase used or this sentence used in formal or business settings. People will say, look, give me a call, we'll get the ball rolling on your application. Or give me a call, we'll get the ball rolling so I can sell you this house or sell you a car. This is how you would use the American or the English phrase, get the ball rolling. Now, leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know how would you use the phrase, get the ball rolling in a sentence. Let's take a few moments to practice your English. Leave me a comment down below. How would you use the term, get the ball rolling in a sentence? Well, I want to thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I certainly appreciate all of the new subscribers here to the channel. Please leave me a comment if you learned something. Give me a like, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure that you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And if you know someone else that is trying to speak better English, take a few seconds and share this video with them. Well, as I always say, I hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure you check out some of my other videos here on the channel that will help you speak better English. Have a wonderful day, and may God bless you.